Flash Your Style. We wanted to introduce Holly.
Hi.
So she is a lash tech here. How long have you been doing lashes?
Doing lashes about 3 years, and then here almost a year now.
Oh, okay.
Since we moved to Tri-Cities, so.
Yeah, do you do volume?
Yeah, so classic, hybrid, and volume lashes, and then I also do microblading.
Okay.
So just started that in September.
Do you like doing the microblading?
Yeah, I love it. It's nice to switch it up.
Yeah. So, and actually it's her birthday tomorrow.
Tomorrow, but we gotta celebrate today since I don't work tomorrow.
Yeah, and actually what we did was she came to work today and we got her a cake and dressed her little station.
That's so sweet. Oh my gosh, you guys are the sweetest.
Yeah. Did you have any idea where we were?
No, I had no idea. I just walked in and looked at everybody and then came back here and I was like,
oh, and your birthday girl.
Gotta wear that today.
Yeah, but we are so excited to have Holly here with us. You know, she's been here a year. She's pretty much booked up. But I think she is gonna add another day here so she can get some more clients in. Yeah. So if you guys want volume lashes, any waxing, classic lashes, microblading, just give us a call and subscribe below. Follow us on our social media. Okay,
I think that's it. Thank you.
Okay, bye.